Hello everyone, welcome to Defense IAS Academy. Today our topic is Introduction. Economics. What is economics? Economics is the study of how societies use scarce resources to produce valuable commodities and distribute them among different people. This is the definition of economics, in which it can be said that how many societies use difficult resources by putting their efforts to avail many products and services as much as they could to many people. This also states that the goods are scarce and that society must use its resources efficiently. We can say economics covers mainly 2 points: effects of scarcity and the desire for efficiency. Now we can say economics studies the economic activities of mankind. Now we have a new question in our mind. What are economic activities? What are economic activities? The activities which involve profit, loss, livelihood, occupation, wage, employment, etc. Economics studies all these activities. Therefore, economics has many branches and they are all studied at the global, macro and micro levels. We can also say that these days IT section is also giving a new dimension to economics. Now we will study relationship between economics and the economy. Means what is economics and what is an economy? What the relationship they are having both between them. Economics can be called as theories of market, employment, etc. And economy can be called as real picture of the things which emerge after application to the same theories in certain areas. Economy is a place where economics theories and practices can be applied. Further, economy can be also known as a place in a certain region, so we can name it or economy as. Economy can be named as a country, a nation, the Indian economy, the French economy, etc. Now I want to explain that when we say developed economies, it means economies of a developed country. Now we have three main types of economies. We are having three main types of economy: capitalistic economy, state economy, mixed economy. Capitalist economy, which means what to produce, how much to produce and at what price to sell, are taken by the market. The second one is state economy. It is an economy made up of a constant stock of physical wealth and a constant population size. Third one is the mixed economy. It has many definitions, but here I will give you a simple and a clear meaning of it. So we can say that mixed economy means economic system blending elements of a market economy with the elements of a planned economy. Means they are mixing the market economy with the planned economy. Free markets with state interventionism. Private enterprise with the public enterprise. In simple words, we can say mixing the elements of these can be termed as a mixed economy. Let us move further. Now we have another topic is sectors of an economy. We have three sectors of an economy. First one is the primary sector, second is secondary sector, third is tertiary sector. Let me explain you all these. First one is the primary sector. Primary sector means this sector includes all those economic activities where there is the direct use of the natural resources like agriculture, forestry, fishing, fuels, metals, minerals, etc. Second one is the secondary sector. Secondary sector, also termed as a manufacturing sector, which uses the produce of the primary sector as its raw materials, as in this sector is also known as manufacturing sector. And manufacturing is done by the industries. So this is the sector is also termed as industrial sector. So for example, the industries of bread and biscuits, automobile, textiles, etc. are termed as under the secondary sector. Now we will move further with the tertiary sector. The third one is the tertiary sector. This sector includes all those economic activities where difficult services are produced, such as education, banking, insurance, transportation, tourism, etc. That is why it is known as the services sector. So this is also termed as a services sector. Now our main topic is national income. We all have heard about the word national income. What is national income? Let us move further and understand the meaning of national income. What is national income? From these two words, it can be clearly seen that national means any country and the income means any output, means income or final output of any country or nation. That is known as a national income. We have further forms of national income. We have 4 forms of national income. We will study that, the forms of national income, the main 4 forms of national income. The first one is the GDP. GDP means gross domestic product. It is the value of all final goods and services produced within the boundary of a nation during 1 year period. It is better to understand the terms used in this concept. Let us move further. That is gross domestic product. Gross means total. Domestic means economic activities done inside the boundary of a nation. Product means final goods and services. This is the meaning of gross domestic product. Means the total of economic activities done beyond the boundaries of nation, giving the final goods and services, is known as a GDP. The second one is the NDP, which stands for Net Domestic Product. It is the GDP calculated after adjusting the weight of the value of depreciation. Mathematically, it is also represented as NDP is equal to GDP minus depreciation. Net domestic product, or we can say NDP concept, is used for domestic purpose only and also to show the achievements of the economy in an area of research and development. Now the third one is GNP, which full form is Gross National Product. It is also the GDP of a country added with its income from abroad. Mathematically, it can be represented as GNP is equal to GDP plus income from abroad. Income which included in income from abroad are, which are the income from abroad includes the things are trade balance, interest of external loans, private remittances. Trade balance means outcome at the year end of the total exports and imports of a country. Interest of external loans means any of the other country which have taken the loans from our country and the interest which is generated on it is termed as interest on external loans. And is the private remittances is the net outcome of the money which inflows and outflows and on account of private transfers by Indian nationals working outside the India and the foreign nationals working in India. One more thing, India is the highest recipient of private remittances in the world as per the World Bank projected. Now the last form of the national income is NNP, that is net national income. NNP of an economy is the GNP after deducting the loss due to depreciation. It can be represented mathematically as NNP is equal to GNP minus depreciation, or NNP is equal to GDP plus income from abroad minus depreciation. It can also be termed as national income. So we can say while calculating the national income, two main concepts are to be kept in mind, that two types of taxes are also calculated by the government, that is direct and indirect taxes, while calculating national income. And one more concept is that subsidies which are forwarded by the government need to be adjusted. Means while calculating the NNP or national income, these two concepts are to be kept in mind. Thank you. If you like this video, please subscribe.